Nagabenta ki khobor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Isa ibom ju no ya ka council hoi im yo banwan man kapor Henry babun ki kam jong ka council ka no ka ba ka executive committee ka ju lek banra ki jing ki grievances jong ki staff ki employees kam tam ka salary kam tam ki babun ki jing na kaliang chief minister jungi ide way ba kloi bha ban pediang ya ka jing karpat na kaliang jungi te dang shenru na kaliang jungi ila pelat bon bha ki shares nam ta council ya ka bangin la ban siu ki tulop jong baro ki members baro ki officers but ki staff hang ne po council.
So I think this is a great beginning and it's very apt that we are celebrating Christmas. We all know that the architect of the district council, late JJM Nicholas Roy, was himself a person who was a very strong believer, and today the fact that KHADC is also hosting the pre-Christmas and advanced Christmas, I think is a really great way of bringing the district council and also the Christmas and Christianity also together. So it's a great way, and I do congratulate the CEM for this particular program, and I do take this opportunity to really wish all of you in advance Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. Also, I take this opportunity to share with you that the state government and the district councils have been really working very, very closely, especially in the last few months since Bapanyad has taken over as CEM. We are working very closely for different reforms, different financial issues. If I'm not wrong and if my numbers are correct, I don't remember the exact number, but in a matter of last 4 months or 5 months, almost about close to 50 crores, about 42 or 45 crores has been released to the Khasi Autonomous District Council. And this has been possible because of the continuous work and efforts by the EC led by your CEM, who I must say is very, very persistent. And he will always follow up and ensure that whatever is good for the council, whatever is the right of the council, and whatever is good for the employees of the council, he does take a lot of interest in it. And because of his leadership today, we are seeing many things move forward. Just recently, there were some proposals that were sent to Delhi for certain developmental projects through the councils. And we have received a very positive response from Government of India, that Government of India is keen to do those projects. I don't want to go into details of those because they are yet to be officially sanctioned, but I'm very sure that we will see many, many development projects and programs coming in the council's way because of the EC that is working very hard in Delhi, and we are also pushing very hard to ensure that different development projects come through the autonomous district councils.